Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by diagnosing the battery to target the right fix. Check battery health in settings under Bluetooth with the Airpods connected. Observe charge case and each Airpod percentage for imbalances over 5% to 10%. Note rapid drops during music or calls to identify failing battery cells. Test one Airpod at a time for consistent results. Try different iPhones and charging cables to rule out accessory faults before attempting internal repairs. Apply quick fixes before opening the case or replacing cells. Reset Airpods by holding the case button for 15 seconds until the amber light blinks. Clean charging contacts with a cotton swab and isopropyl alcohol 70% to 90%. Update firmware by pairing to your device and leaving them connected for 1 hour. Replace any faulty lightning cable with an Apple-certified cable as needed. Test charging with another wall adapter rated at 5V1A to verify charging source. When quick fixes fail, replace the battery cells following safety steps. Open the case carefully using plastic pry tools and a 16:9 suction grip if needed. Disconnect the battery connector and remove cells slowly to avoid punctures. Use replacement cells rated for the same voltage and capacity as the originals. Reconnect flex cables and reassemble with non-conductive adhesive strips. Seal the case and perform 3 full charge cycles to condition the new batteries and confirm at least 80% capacity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.